In hook2.js file, import React, use state from React. Next, after that, const my hook2 export default my hook2 right? Should be my hook2. I've written my book2. My hook2 return division id equal to container division React state use state state management or use state hooks. Example. Import this file in the routing call करो आप, add in the routing app.js file, create a link, load this file. Added routing coming, import in app.js file, import my hook2 from hook.js file. H1 we are given the link. We'll try to call X2 also. X2 Next below, we will write a path for H2 also. H2. You will feel like H2 and H1 is a predefined tag. Better you can write what you can write is hook 1, 2, 3 we can write. Hook 1, hook 2, here also hook 1, hook 2, hook 1. Page loaded. 2. In hook 2, why it is printing the same? Okay. Because I am calling here hook 1 only. Hook 2 I should call. Right. Now in this, data will come from the array. We have to read the data from let's go inside, write a variable called let. Under the let, you will keep call. Under the let, we can use call book list, comma, update book equal to use state. In that, you will assign one array. And next, after that, inside the array, write some book name. So, what is the value of book list? That we have seen use state will return to element. One element, first element is a undefined and second element is a function. So first element what you given, instead of putting undefined, we keep as a array. Second element we have not given. Second element is empty. The first element we given call is a array. So this array will go under this variable. Call is a book list, and update book will become as a function. So that function you have not written anything. Now book list become as a array. So right here total users in a p tab. Total users. No, not total user, total books. Book list dot length. What is the length? 4. Because 4 element was inside the array. 4 element is inside the array, so it is printing as a 4. Now we need to print that list of element. We write called book list dot map, name of the book, print the p tab, inside that print the book name. P tab, key property is required. Now array is coming, list. See, all the values are printing. Now we need to know how to add the new value. We'll have one button here, click on that, one new value will get added. So state management is the heart of. Okay, one question is on internet. What is the state in React and how it used? So answer is state are the heart of React component. Okay. If state will stop, React will become valueless. I sent you some URL yesterday. In that URL, one question you have in the React question answer. Question number 15. What is the React state and how it is? What is the procedure? So there. Okay, come now. So we'll add a button here. In a p tag we can add. Button save book. Button save book. On click, C will be capital. Call a function. Save. Call save. Come up, write a function called save. Phone, okay, I'll come. Save function call. Inside the save function, call the update book function. And using update book function, you need to add the new value. This is called spread operator. This is called spread operator. This one. This becomes a spread operator. Book list, comma, new book. Test book. Test. Just click on save, you will find a new book get added. Book name is called save my test book. Okay, button click. Once you click on save button, it will add the my test book will keep adding. See from the code also. Right. Next, after this, the next work will be the value has to come from the text box. This value what you are adding on button click. This is getting added automatically. This IH. Yes. So when we click here, every time same value is getting added. We need to take this value from the text field, from the text box. Okay. So for that purpose, we require to create a text box here. Before save button, one text box is required that we can write here. Enter. Input type equal to text. Input type equal to text. Now, how to take the value from this text box? Not using ID. Okay, something else. Text field is ready. Next, we have to create one more state variable to take the value from the text box. So let new book, comma, pick book equal to use state, and by default, right here call node.js book. So this is a variable we created. Using this variable, we'll bring the value from the text box. Okay, so what is the book name now? Node.js book. It is available under the new book variable. Remove double quote and pass your new book. And then click and see what is getting added. Notebook is adding. That means the value is coming from the state variable. Now in this new book variable, data should go from the text box. That's the target. This default value you remove and put as a empty default value. Default value keep as a empty. Next on button click. Not on button click. When the user start typing under the text box, the value of text box should go to the new book, and from new book it will get printed under the. So what you will do, you will write here on change. On change means under the text box, whichever the activity you do. Either you press the key, you up the key, you down the key, you click there, or you do anything under the text box, every time on change event will fire. In on change event, you will create a object of this function, pick function, pick book function. Any name is fine, XYZ. Now this obj, you are calling for the pick book function. Now under the pick book function, you will write the current value of text box. Current value, when we start typing, take the current value. How it will be? Obj dot target dot value. The value of current element. The value of current element will get captured by this, and it will be given to the target dot value. The value of the text box will go to this pick book function, and from pick book it will assign to the new book. Save once. Right. Now enter the value under the text box and click on save button. Node save. Python save. Then we'll ask how this value is coming. Let's come to the code again. After this paragraph, in a I tag, italic tag, you print, you have entered You have entered new book. So when you start typing, it will display the value. As we start typing, it will display the value immediately. Able to add the value?
Yes.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me know, yes, no? Okay, good. It worked, right? When we start typing, first we have created a state variable called new book. Next, after that, when we enter the value under the text box, as soon as you will start entering on change, this function will call is a pick name. And character by character, whatever the value you will enter here, character by character, it will go to this function. This function, pick name. And from pick name, it will transfer to the new name. And new name we are printing here. So once you start typing, immediately it will display. Another thing, when you type at that time, character by character gone to this variable, that is called new book. And when we click on save button, then from new book, it will get added to the book list. This is called a spread operator. People ask every time what is the spread operator and how it works. So you can see a spread operator used to concat or used to, you can say, push new element inside the existing array. So book list becomes an array, and then new book becomes a new element. So how it happen is, it is also designed based on this formula only. A equal to A plus B formula. Now what is the A? So book list is A equal to book list comma new book. Then you will ask equal to will be equal to only, no problem. This arrow key make a which one? Equal to. So now what will happen? Book list will get combined with the new book and will get assigned to where? Book list. And this book list will go again to where? Update book, and update book will transfer to where? Book list. So indirectly, book list is our main array, and inside the book list we are adding a new element. So here you can use the push function. Which function? Array dot push, array dot unshift. That will also work. But on React standard, the push function it look like it not you are maintaining the standard of which one? React. Okay. So in React, wherever you see, while adding the element, while deleting the element, we will be keep using this function, this operator. That's called a spread operator. A spread operator. 3 times dot will come in the beginning, and after that array name, comma, new element. Array name and save this. Again, come to the page, enter the value, and see what value you enter. It is printing on A, save happen. B, save happen. BC, save happen. D, save happen. right? E save happen. All the values are getting saved here. Now next we need to understand multi-dimensional array, how to add and how to list. Then next term will come as a how to delete. Then we'll delete from here also and delete from the there also. Create the next file called hook3.js. And what will be the page component name? Component name will be similar. Hook hook3.js. Hook3.js. Inside the constant name will be called myhook3. Write it, print inside multi-dimensional array example, call under the routing. Call under the routing. Okay. Let user list update user use state so it is a simple array. Now come down, return id h1 use state spread operator example. Check once. Tell me. Before going, why you didn't ask? Okay, come, we'll talk, okay? Cell padding 10. We had PR, PH, full name, mobile number, then open the T body. I will keep this file in the routing ones. 3L calls MR. Something like this. So your page is loading. and I believe you have made already routing and all. Your pages are loading properly. Now we required one array. From there, we'll read the data. So array we have not created it. This array will get created by us only. Now for testing purpose, let's add one array. Here create a variable called let equal to temp equal to you can write full name. Full name, you can add your name. Next will be called mobile. One user, this temp data will go to this array now. So array will get user list will get one user with the two property name and mobile. Right, added. We can display the list here, list of one user. So come to the code. What is that? All user or something else? User list dot map. User list dot map. In user list, you have one user with the name and mobile. So user list dot map user comma index. Return PR P as index ed index you can write next ed user dot name you will write next ed user dot mobile Renton, how many users? One user. If you add some more user, that also should get added here. So we'll create a button in the left side and we'll try to add a user, or maybe in the before table also. Put a p tag. Inside the p tag, write a button. Save user. On click. Save function you will call. Done it. Now come up. Write a function called save. Const save. Again, you will call this function update user, and under the update user, you will call the user list equal to user list comma temp. So same user we are going to add again and again to test whether it's happening or not. Click on save button. Same user will get added. Getting added. Same user will keep adding. So a spread operator structure is similar. A spread operator structure is similar. Spread operator structure is similar. Whether it is single dimensional array or multi-dimensional, no problem. It will work in all the cases. Getting added. Yeah. Now we require the text boxes here. So from text box, we'll take the value and we'll add inside this array. Now this is the static value is getting added. It should become dynamic now. Right for p tab, align in the center. And create two text box here, name and mobile number. Input type equal to text. Enter name. One more text box. Enter. Okay, something like this. Two text boxes. When you click here, value will get added, but that we'll see tomorrow. You practice little this one. Which one? Single dimensional array. And the question answer I have sent you, not question answer, two URL I have sent you. One JavaScript top 50, React top 50. That is the important question answer. That question answer was VBI question answer on entire on internet for few months before. 3-4 months before it was the VBI question answer on internet, trending question answer. In that, no, really some question answer are there that regular people will ask you. You can have a look. Yeah, we'll see tomorrow again.